Assalamu alaikum everyone. You all are getting my voice? Am I audible to you, all of you?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. So how are you all?
Fine. How are you?
Alhamdulillah bete.
मिस आप बताएं आपकी तबीयत कैसी है अभी?
Allah ka shukr bete. You all were praying na, that's why I'm well now.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम टीचर.
Alaikum salam, my dear. Okay, Sinan.
अस्सलाम
I'm
वालेकुम
muting
टीचर.
you. Okay. Sinan, you have to decide.
टीचर how
I'm unmuting you. Sinan bete, start the recitation, please.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. تبت يدا أبي لهب وتب ما أغنى عنه ماله وما كسب سيصلى نارا ذات لهب وامرأته حمالة الحطب في جيدها حبل من مسد صدق الله العظيم.
Sadaqallahu Azim. Subhanallah bete. Jazakallah khair. Girls, last time I told you bete, whenever Sinan or others are doing the recitation, you should cover that. Fatma, very good, you did so. But Yusra, Reja, you have to cover bete. Amna, please, girls, you should cover the hat during the recitation timing. Please. Okay? Okay. In the last class, we reviewed the tenses. Is that so?
Yes.
Okay. Today we will do something new thing now. So I will be showing pictures to you. You have to describe the picture. Fine. Using those tenses, what we already have done, you have to describe pictures. Are you ready? At last,
Yes.
I'll be asking few riddles with you. Fine. One by one, I will unmute you, and you have to describe the picture. Isn't it great? You all have to speak. You all have to take part. I want you to be vocal. Is that clear? Okay. Now I'm starting sharing. Everyone first give the attendance to me. Write present teacher, your name quickly. Only Fatma did so. Please, Yusra, write your name, class, section, present teacher, please. Humaira, Amna, please. Aryan, give attendance quickly. Then I'll be starting my class. Okay, Vania, please. Abdullah Danish. Reja, Anaya, please, bete, all of you. Give me attendance. Very good, Anaya. Abdullah Danish, please. Ali Salman, give attendance. Message me. Ali Salman, 6 right. Present teacher, please. Fatna Mohsin, message me, please. Very good. Very good. Quickly start giving message, please. Vania, do it, please. Message me. Vania, Zayan, Anaya, bete, please give your attendance. Amna, very good. Yusra, very good. Danish, join, very good. Abhiya is joining us. Humaira, very good. Quickly start giving attendance. And you join the class now. Quickly, just send the message to me. Miss, this is Rafe of 6th Rat, present teacher. Quickly, the first work you have to do, give attendance of yours. Fine. This is your first task. When you join the class, you have to message me. Very good, Aryan. Yes, I have seen, bete. Okay. Most of students have joined the class. I want everyone to open the camera, please. Amna, Anaya, Abdullah Danish, Abhiya, Imran, please. Zayan, open the camera, bete. I want everyone to open the camera. Then we will start the picture composition. It is the speaking activity and you all have to speak about the picture. Please, Vania bete, you're not allowed to close the camera. Abdullah Danish, Abhiya, Imran, please show me, are you of 6 red Abhiya, 6 green Abhiya, please. Everyone. Rahim is joining. I think Moise is also coming to class. Okay, let them join, then I'll be starting it. 1 more minute, we will wait for other students to come. Because we do wait till 9:05 now. So 1 minute more I'm giving them. Abhiya, a lot of light, bete. I want to see your face. Okay, Moise, bete, please give attendance. Rhyme, attendance, please. Abhiya, Imran, give attendance, please. Abhiya, please give the attendance. Abhiya, 6th right, present teacher, Rhyme. Says Ruin, present teacher, please message me, Rhyme. Moise, message me. Then I will start sharing the picture. Abdullah Danish, I will remove you. Because you often join class and don't open the camera. Everyone should take part in the class now, bete. If you will not allow me to see, look at you, so how could I judge you? What are you doing right now and how will you learn things? We have to practice together now. And for that, I have to look at you. Please. Okay, this is Saad Masood. Saad Masood, welcome back. Ayan, bete, please open the camera. Ali Salman, I want to see your face. Show your faces, smiley faces. How are you all looking? Okay, that's really great. So a very good morning to all of you. Done the breakfast or still not? All of you are hungry. No. Just wake up from the bed or move from the bed now? Okay. Now start. Please, Ayan. Okay, most of the students had opened the camera. Now I'm clicking Ammar. Who is Ammar? I think it's new student or someone else who changed the name. Let Ammar join the class. One more student. Please, everyone, open the video so I can judge who is joining the class. Otherwise, log in with your own name. Don't log in with the sister and brother's ID. Rafi, Zayan, and Ammar, who is at the back, please open camera. Abhiya, sit properly. Please be attentive. Aryan, Mubashir, please. Saad Masood, open camera, dear. Okay. You know, your camera has a marks. If you will not open it, so when I'm giving marks to you now, I will not give the marks to you. It will be giving a minus marking to you. You were not attentive during the class time. It means that. So do not close the camera. Is that clear? Who will close the camera during the class timings? I will mark their one absent in a week. Fine. Or if you submit the assignment on time to me, I will cut your absent. I will mark it present. When you will get the absent now, so I will add the marking present over there if you submit your assignment on time to me. Is that clear? You will be getting plus marking. This is your reward for your early submission. Who will submit the assignment on time to me? If they will get the day 1, 2 day off, I will mark their present. Is that clear, everyone?
Okay.
Fine. So you have the chance to take the benefit of that. Submit your assignment on time and do submit, do view. Most of the students never open it. I have seen it. Only 1, 2 students daily view it, like Sinan, very good. Aryan, superb job. You always see the assignment, you always look at that, you always submit on time. Fatma Mohsin, very good. Amna, very good. These are the students who always go through, check their ID at university and submit the assignment over there to me. So I really want to appreciate these students. Aryan, Sinan, Amna, who often, Fatma Mohsin, who often view the assignment. They join the university, they go over there and they submit it to me on time. So I want everyone to do the same thing. Just log in with your ID, open that ID, go to homework section, view the assignment and submit on time before the submission date. Otherwise, the submission option will move. It will be removed from there. Are you getting it?
Yes.
So you have to view your assignment before the submission date will expire. Clear? Okay, now I'm sharing the picture. Okay, are you all able to look at that picture?
Yes.
Sinan, it's your turn first. Describe the picture. What's going on in the picture?
Teacher, one boy and 2 girls are reading books and they are in a park.
Exaggerate more, speak more about at least one paragraph you have to
They
speak.
are in.
Whatever you
They
are
are in
looking.
the park.
Loudly.
They are in the park and reading book
How are they feeling at the time when they are reading the book? Are they crying? Are they smiling? How is their mood? How is their feeling?
they are
Are they
smiling and
enjoying?
laughing. They are enjoying the reading.
Very
And
good.
the weather is very good. And there is lots of trees and hills.
Very good. Now, Aryan, unmute yourself. It's your turn. Come on, speak up. What's going on in the picture? Speak up. Look at the picture and speak
Three
about the picture.
Yeah, three students are reading their books and they have a lot of fun to read their books, and the weather is very good and there are rainbow and so many trees.
Wow, Aryan, you are very good speaker, mashallah. Why don't you take part in that? Always take part in speaking activity, bete, mashallah. Sinan, very good. Excellent job. Okay, Rafi, your turn. Speak up.
Three kids are reading book in park. They are smiling and laughing. They are feeling very good about the nature, and there's a rainbow.
Okay, are they reading their favorite book? How are they feeling after reading the book? What are their emotions? What are their
They are
expressions?
feeling good.
Okay.
They are feeling good about the book and also the nature.
Okay. Do you also feel good when you read the book?
Yes.
How do you feel at the time?
टीचर अच्छा लगता है.
Wow. It means you love to read books, isn't it? When we read any thriller story, na, which adventurous story, the thriller story, it changes the mood. Okay, that's really great, Rafi. Now, Zayan, beta, your turn. Come on, speak about the picture. I'm changing the picture now. So different, you will look at the different picture. Now, it's for you, Zayan. Now, speak about the picture. What's going on?
The kids are playing.
Okay. Which sort of swings are there? How are they feeling?
A boy is sliding.
Okay, that's really great.
A girl and a boy are seesawing.
Okay, they are sitting in seesaw. They are enjoying it. And other children?
Some children are sitting. Some are running.
Okay. More. One of girl is playing with the balloon, isn't it?
Yes.
And what the lady is doing? Both the lady are doing something now. What are they doing? How is the weather? How is the climate?
The weather is cloudy.
Okay. Speak about the surrounding now. What the lady are doing? How are they feeling? What are their expressions?
The lady is one lady is playing with the childrens. The second lady is standing with the boy.
Okay, that's really great, Zayan. Very good. Okay, now I'm changing the picture. It's now whose turn it is? Yes, Fatna Mohsin, unmute yourself. Fatna Mohsin, unmute yourself. Speak about the picture. What's going on in the picture?
There are 4 students. They are in the school playground and they are playing. And there are 2 boys and 2 girls. They are playing. And the weather is very nice.
Oh, wow. Speak about surrounding as well. Na? Which sort of thing are there?
And there is a bus and they are dancing and playing.
Okay, I think it's their break time and they're enjoying their break time now.
Yes.
Very happy in the school playground. Do you also feel great and remember the nostalgic memories which you spent in school?
Yes.
Okay. I also remember the past days now. Those were really enjoyable. Okay, Mara, unmute. Now, Mara, beta, your turn. Speak about the picture.
There are 4 students, two girls and 2 boys. The weather is so good, and the back side is bus, uh, and the children are playing and dancing.
Wow, very nice. They are enjoying.
They are enjoying, and
How is the weather over there? How is the weather? Speak about the weather.
weather is so cloudy, and
Very good.
there are so many trees.
Okay, very nice. Speak more about it. Okay, that's really great, Umaira. Now, Abhiya Imran, it's your turn. Come on, speak about the picture. I'm changing the picture. Now speak about this picture. What's going on in the picture? You have to speak up. Listen now, what you have to speak, you have to speak about the surrounding, about the people, and what are they doing. The 3 things you have to describe. Surrounding, the environment, the people who are sitting over there. Yes.
There are 3 students sitting on the mat. One child is laying on the mat and reading some books while laughing, and they are so happy. The weather is so beautiful, cloudy. The weather is coldly, and there's a nice rainbow coming. There's a bird which is happily flying. There are nice tree. There is a tree. They're sitting on a nice nature. They're reading book on a nice nature. There is also a beach.
Very nice.
Where, there are also beach. The garden is so beautiful. They're enjoying while reading their comic books. They're happily having fun. They're having lots of fun. And the bird is also enjoying with the
Their story. Okay, the bird is also enjoying their stories. Very nice, Abhiya. Good job. Now, Vanya, unmute yourself. Better speak about the picture.
The 3 students are one boy and 2 girls are sitting on the mat. They are reading books. The bird is also enjoy the reading. There was a small lake. There was a very beautiful rainbow, and the weather is very cloudy. There are too many clouds, too many trees, and mountains. There are small flowers and beautiful.
Okay.
They are enjoy very much.
Okay. They're enjoying the reading over there in the beautiful environment, isn't it?
Yes, yes.
Very cool environment. They are reading and they are enjoying their reading over there. Very nice, my dear Vanya. Very good, Abhi. Excellent job, everyone. Now, Ali Salman, where are you? It's your turn now. Ali Salman, let me look at. Okay, Ali Salman, speak about it.
3 students are sitting on the mat. 1 student is lying on the mat, and 2 students are
Slowly,
sitting on the mat.
Ali, slowly.
They are reading books. The weather was so nice, and at the back there is a rainbow also. So they like to read books.
Wow. Very nice.
They like to read books and see the nature.
Okay, they are reading the books and they are looking at nature as well, and they are enjoying the cool environment now. Do you wish to go over there? Want to read? Isn't it? Don't you wish to go? I really love to go. Really? I want to go over there. Now, Mubashir, it's your turn. Come on, start. And speak a little bit louder. Yes, please speak up.
Miss, one boy, two girls are reading, enjoy the books, and there are mountains, mountain birds, trees, rainbow clouds, and birds enjoy the environment of the park, and the boy and the two girls are reading, uh, enjoy
Very good.
and read the book. Enjoy and read the book.
Very good, my dear Mubashir. And how is the
And the
environment
river
over there?
environment is so cool, and breeze is so cool, and the river is so flow into the river.
The trees are giving soothing shade and they are enjoying the cool weather, na, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay, very good, Mubashir bete. Okay, Danish, Muhammad Danish, unmute yourself. Danish,
Yes, miss.
now speak about it.
Yes, there are three students who
A
are
little bit louder and slowly speak up. Okay, Zahid Khan joined the class today. Zahid Khan, welcome to my class, my dear. Open camera. Now, Muhammad Danish, speak up. Continue.
there are three students. One student is laying and two students are sitting. There, three are reading the books, and there is a rainbow over there, which is making the weather so beautiful. And the world is also enjoying in the weather. And there are mountains and trees, which makes all more beautiful. And they have also caught in fish.
Okay, that's really great. Okay, very nice. Okay, Danish done, Fatma done. Okay, who are left? Saad Masood, please unmute yourself. Speak about the picture. Saad Masood, please speak up. Speak about the picture, bete.
In this picture, there are three students in a school,
Very good, Saad.
and there is one boy and two girls. They are reading stories, and one girl is laughing, and the weather is very cloudy, and there is a rainbow of 7 colors. The bird is
Okay,
also flying above the rainbow, and there's also bird down with them, and the bird is
Rafi,
listening
don't
to
change the virtual images, please. Okay, very
bird is
nice, Saad Masood. Excellent job. Very good, Saad. Continue. How is the environment? How is the surrounding, my dear? Okay, Anaya, your turn. Very good. Very good, Saad. Okay, Anaya, now speak about the three things you have to speak: surrounding, about the people, and about the environment. Come on, speak up.
One boy and two girls are reading books. They are laughing and enjoying their books. There are many mountains over there and a lake over there. The weather is so cloudy and the bird is enjoying the weather a lot.
More.
Uh, the two girls and boy were enjoying the books and the weather a lot, and they are enjoying to read it.
Very good. Okay, really great, Anaya. Now, Abdullah Farhan, unmute yourself and speak about the picture, bete. I'm changing picture for you, Abdullah Farhan. Now you have to speak about the third picture. Come on, speak out, Abdullah Farhan. Amna and Yusra, get ready. Abdullah Farhan, bete, speak up. Everyone, you should listen what others are sharing with us. I'll be giving point to you.
Students are dancing and playing in their playground.
Okay.
There are many trees, and at the back side there
Over there, there's school. There is a school and a school bus. The weather is so cloudy
Wow.
and nice.
Yes, more about it. That's it. How's the environment? What are you looking? Okay, that's really good, Abdullah Farhan. Okay. Moise, now speak about the picture. You speak about the second picture. Now, Moise, unmute yourself. Yes. And open the camera of yours. What are you doing right now? I really want to look at you, Abdullah Danish. Please open the camera. Muhammad Danish, Abdullah Danish, both Danish are not sharing their video. Danish, continue speaking about the picture.
Miss, the children are playing.
Okay.
The lady is caring about his child.
Okay. How is the environment? Speak about the surrounding.
The weather is cloudy. There is so many trees.
There are so many trees. Very good. More. The trees are giving
They
soothing
are
shade. Okay.
the
Yes, really great. More
the girl
sentences,
was
more quickly.
playing
You are
with
the
the
very good
balloon.
speaker.
The girl
Yes.
was playing with the balloon.
Okay.
This lady exercising.
Really good, Moise. More.
This lady exercise with his child.
Okay. Don't you want to go over there, Moise? Want
Yes,
to have
miss.
fun?
Yes, miss.
Okay. I really wish to. Now who are left? Rija,
I
baby.
also.
Now, Rija, please unmute yourself. Rija, speak about the picture. Quickly.
Teacher, there is 3 kids. They are reading books, and the environments are so good. Rainbow is there, and they are enjoying a lot with reading books. And there are trees. River is so looking beautiful, and rainbow also
Very good.
fun a
Okay,
lot.
that's really great, Rija. More you want to speak?
They plan, then they go to lunch.
Okay, how are they feeling? How are they
They are
feeling after reading the book? Yes.
They are feeling nice.
Are they bored to read book or are they enjoying?
They are enjoying.
Okay, that's really great, Rija. Now, Zahid, your turn. Speak about it. Zahid, speak about it. Welcome to my class. This is your first class, Zahid. Come on, speak up.
3 students are sitting. 1 girl and 2 boys are sitting and reading books. They are sitting behind the trees.
Okay.
At the back side they have one lake. Bus.
Okay. More, Zahid.
Shabazz.
Okay, that's really great. Now who are left? Yusra, bete, speak about the picture. You did not speak. Speak about the picture. Yusra, bete, unmute yourself. Describe the picture. What's going on in the picture? You have listened, everyone. They have shared about it. Please, now your turn. Come on, speak about the picture. What's going on? Quickly, bete. We 3-4 minutes are left, and other students, oh, they have to take part. Amsal is left. So many students are left. Come on, quickly. Yusra, please, bete, hurry up. Share about the. Bete, speak about the picture. Do take part. Yusra, do the class activity. Okay, Yusra, I think you are unable to do that. Please, Amsal, you start now.
There are 3
kids sitting on the mat. Miss, there is rainbow and the environment is so good. There are so many trees and flowers, and miss, there is one bird flying and one is sitting at there, and miss, they are enjoying the reading.
Okay, they are enjoying the weather, they are enjoying their book. And how is the surrounding? Okay, Amsal, very good job. Now, Yusra, bete, what happened with you? Why don't you speak about the picture? Bete, do take part. Bete, please, you have to take part. Your mother should not, bete. I want you to speak. Aap bole, bete, Yusra. I really request parents, please don't interrupt during the class time and let the children do by themselves. Yusra, bete, be independent. The screen is here. You have to speak about the picture now. Ji bete, I'm waiting for your sentences. Yusra, please speak about the picture. Okay, she never takes part. Fine. All I had done, let me stop the sharing. Who are left to do so, please share with me and raise hand. All I have done so. Amna, speak about it. Come on. Amna, please unmute yourself. Yes. Now, speak about any picture which I have shown you. Come on, quickly, and louder. Please be louder. Speak about the last picture, na, about the student who were reading the book in the garden. Come on, quickly.
Miss, one boy and two girls are reading books and sitting on the mat.
Okay.
They are enjoying with birds, and there are too many big trees, and weather is so cloudy and rainbow is so good, and they are feeling very nice.
Okay, that's really great. One more student is joining us in the living time. Okay, student, really a great job you all have done. Yusra, please, beta, you have to take part in the class activities. You never take part, beta. I'm really worried about you. Please, you should take part. Okay, I'll be giving more question assignment to you. I want everyone, whenever we are doing the speaking activity during the class time, you all have to take part and you all have to listen. Yes, and Abhi, beta, unmute yourself.
I want to
Louder, beta, louder. No problem, my dear Abhiya, no problem. I told you na, I will mark present. If you submit the assignment to me, you will just go through your assignment, submit it to me. I will mark your day present. Fine, bete? No matter you were not feeling fine and you took the day off, but I'm giving a chance to everyone. I will mark present. Fine? Whosoever do very good assignment, they will mark present. Fine?
Okay, miss, but sometimes the date will be missed. So I am asking the date will be missed.
I will extend the date. Just share the assignment date with me, na? About which assignment you are talking about. I will extend the date. I want you all to go through it. I will extend date for you. You have to submit the assignment to me. Who will do the best assignment? I will mark their present. Okay. Zahid, unmute yourself. Speak. Yes. What do you want to speak, bete? The class time ended now. If you have any confusion, do let me know, bete, please.
Yes.
Ji, Zahid, speak quickly, bete. We already took 2 minutes extra of the next class. Please, quickly, Zahid.
Yes.
Achha, theek hai. Zahid, did you enjoy the today first class?
Yes.
Okay, that's really great. Sinan, yes, bete, speak up.
So what are the questions?
Bete, I'll be sharing an assignment to you. Fine?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
Allah Hafiz, everyone. Take good care
Yes,
of
yes,
yourself.
Yes.
And do pray for me as well. I really need. Fine?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Aryan.
What is the
Amna,
homework?
Allah Hafiz.
What is
Allah
what is the
Hafiz.
homework?
I'll be
What is
sharing
the
in
homework?
university. Mubashir, through university, I will share it. You have to go over there. You have to visit the university. You have to log in over there. Go to homework manager and check it. Is that clear? Okay, bete. You all have shared very good point.
Take care.
Allah Hafiz.
Take care.
Enjoy it. Have a good day ahead. Love you all, bete. Allah Hafiz.